Hey guys, Tank here. Last night when I started my live stream, I noticed something very interesting. What I noticed is that it was written on in a blue square on top of my screen that Hangout On Air will be terminated with YouTube Live in 2019. So yes, no more Hangouts on YouTube Live. Now, Hangout might still be there as a by itself, but what this means is that when you do a Hangout, you'll have to do a Hangout and then bring it into your live stream. For people like me that have a very low bandwidth, when you do a live stream, you're actually uploading and downloading, and then you have to upload your live stream also. So it might be an issue for people that would have to do it that way. There's a bunch of other apps out there that actually does it. And to actually show you real quick, here we have Hangout On Air. It says the classic Hangout On Air streaming experience is going away later in 2019. So it actually tells you for quick streaming, try the YouTube Cam. So when you go on that, it starts your the new streaming. I'm actually using my camera right now for recording, so it won't see it. But basically, you can use, but this is only one camera and only one person, and you can actually do a live stream also, and you can actually manage your live streams. So there's a bunch of different things you can do, but this is only one camera to do one person to do a live stream. So no more Hangouts with a bunch of people. Now there's a lot of different apps out there, like Hangout might still be there, but Hangout On Air with YouTube Live, that's going away in 2019. Now there is other ones that you could actually use. You have GoToMeeting, and then you take your GoToMeeting and you actually stream that. There's Cisco WebEx. Mind you, those are all apps that you have to pay for. Some of them do have some free software or trial version you can actually try. TeamViewer, that's another good one. TeamViewer, actually, you can actually stream to YouTube using TeamViewer. I have to test that one. Another one that a lot of people use is Skype, but Skype to do a whole bunch of people might be difficult. There's Join Me Meeting, I never tried that one, but I am going to try a bunch of other ones. One that's very popular is Zoom, and you can actually get a 40-minute streaming or a meeting for 40 minutes with a maximum of 3 participants, and that one is free, so that's not bad. But on a lot of my stream in RC Talk, I have 10 people. Last stream I had, I ran out of room. More people wanted to come in, but I was full at 10 people. So there is a bunch of other apps that you can use, but you do have to pay for them, so it becomes an issue. So Hangout On Air with YouTube Live is going away, and that's not being replaced right now. YouTube is not answering and is not planning, as far as I know, on a replacement for that. So we'll have to stand by and see what's going to happen. Talk to you guys later.